This Century 21 Nachman Realty property video is presented by Cindy Edwards. Charming Southern Shores classic saltbox floor plan nestled in the midst of beautiful trees and nature. Home features engineered hardwood floors, updated kitchen, open great room with skylights, screened porch and sun decks. Wood-burning fireplace in living room, and a primary bedroom and full bath on this level. Stairs lead up to a loft to your additional 2 bedrooms and bath between them. Private deck off of each of the upstairs bedrooms to enjoy morning coffee and listening to birds. Room 4, and hookups for a stackable washer and dryer in kitchen closet or connections are also downstairs in storage room. Plenty of room underneath home, one could be workshop and the other storage. Spacious yard for gardening, relaxing in a hammock and enjoying the natural beauty of Southern Shores. HVACs 2018 and 2022, new septic drain field in 2019. Circular drive and convenient location, you can walk or bike to the beach or the sound from this home. A short drive to groceries, restaurants or dock. The perfect Southern Shores getaway to call home. For more information, review the details below or contact Cindy Edwards at 252-256-0520.